If you are tired of boring backdrops for your events, you need to consider this product. This is a 12-piece set, and look how lush and beautiful this is. It's 12 pieces. Each piece is 20 by 20, easy to set up. I did the wall behind me in just 10 minutes or less. Thank you to Yan Grass for sending us these beautiful boxwood panels. What we have here is 20 pieces, and each piece is a 12 by 12 square. You can use these zip ties to adhere them together, make it more secure, but we put them on the wall and did not need to even use the zip ties. They were very easy to put up. I did this entire display in probably 10 minutes or less. This has a boxwood background, but there's several options available, and the one that we have here is the tropical option. It has 7 different plants mixed in. The quality of this is very good. It is plastic. If it gets dirty, it would be easy to give it a light spray because of the texture that it has and the material that's made out of. Or what I like to do with stuff like this is use a leaf blower and blow the dust off. If you needed this to fit within a certain parameter, it is easy to cut these. There is a grid pattern on the back that would make it very easy to make sure that you are doing a uniform size on each piece or all the way through the piece that you're working on. You can use these indoors or outdoors. It would make a good backdrop for photographers, for a party, for a wedding, maybe one of the lights up here that says like love is in the air or something like that, or the people's last name. In addition, you can use this outside in a variety of ways, but one idea would be to put it on the outside of a dog pen, giving some privacy to the dogs, giving some extra shade within the pen, and making the area maybe look a little bit nicer. I want to show you up close what it looks like. It's very lush. It's filled out very well. They did not skimp on the materials whatsoever. On the back side, you see the grid pattern, and this is where I was saying it would be easy to cut to size. And this is where also it has tabs for interlocking. And if you want to use the zip ties, you do have that to make it even more secure. As you can see, this is about the size of each piece. So this is 12 pieces in total here. I am very happy with this, and I want to thank Yan Grass for sending this product to us. It is really a great quality, and I'm very impressed. Highly recommend.